Hello everyone, today I will show you how to display the code and how to dismantle the Ntablet. Okay, let's start. First, I will show you how to display the code. Unfill these two fields. And unfill these two fields too. Do it like this. The code is out. The new code. This is our new code. Okay. Refill it. Okay. We insert the back. Okay, done. Okay. I will show you how to dismantle the Ntablet now. There is a notch on the Ntablet. We can see this. Okay. Okay, you can open it, but please take care because there is a cable here, so open it carefully. Well, we can see, and we remove the cable. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.